Hello, I'm Daniela, and welcome to the November prompt with Stitch With Me in 2025. We only have 2 prompts left for this year, so let's get started right away. All previous videos will be linked below for all the months as well as assembly of the book. This month's prompt is lace. I chose to do a lace collage, really focusing on all the beauty of lace and the texture. But I can't wait to see what you make. So be sure to post your work in our Facebook group. And now let me show you how I created the lace prompt. So for the lace prompt, I went through my stash and found some beautiful lace in the colors that I selected for this project. And I also found stuck in my lace bin this ribbon, and it kind of has a lace appeal with the print on it, which I really like. I think I might incorporate that in. And I'm going to make it simple, but hopefully beautiful, where I have all these different types of lace and then the prompt. So I have my blank page for November, and now I just have to design the way I think I want this to go. In keeping true to my edge on all my pages, I want to keep this here and really sticking out. So I'll work around that, and then I'll just play around with setting up how I want this to go. Now I really want this to peek through. It doesn't have to be the dominant piece, but I want it to peek through. So I'll cut this up, make an arrangement, and show you kind of what I think it's going to look like. So this is the design I'm going to go with. My next stage is to tack each layer down accordingly, and I'll show you those steps along the way. So here I lined up everything and tacked it down just with a quick glue stick to hold it. So I just tacked down the gold. You can see on the back all my stitches. And I tacked it along the side, top and bottom, and then each of these little fingers coming out from this lace I stitched down. I'll do the same thing now with the next piece. So I stitched the green. It really anchored both this pink and it actually anchored this beige pretty well. I'm not going to stitch along the edge because I feel like when I connect the page, the December prompt, and this page, it will further secure it. But I am going to add the lace tag. So I added the label and I have my November page. This one was rather simple. I actually expected a lot more stitching, but because of the placement of the lace, I really tacked everything down pretty well. And I love the combination of colors, and it follows suit with my project for this year. I only have a little bit of threadlings here, not very much from this month. Just stick that in there, leftover thread, figure out what I'm going to do with it at the end of next month. And that is the November prompt. So that's how I created the prompt for November and Stitch With Me in 2025. One more prompt to go. I can't believe this year is almost done. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for joining me today.